So there's this picture that's trending on Facebook. A lot of people bathi ugirl useJoburg CBD uhamba nomntwana and uyaphanda, you know, bathi she's the lady of the night and wenza la msebenzi in that moment ehamba lo mntana. But guys, could it be that ngumuntu ozihambela nomntwana, but it's just that the way anxibe ngayo inenza okanye yenza abantu bacinga kanjalo? Because it's not realistic into abantu azothi umuntu noba wenza la msebenzi awenze nomntana make senza loo nto leyo umntana uzobephi. So it just really doesn't make sense. Mna, I think it's just a person ozihambelayo, and it so happened that kunomuntu ebedlula because uyambona ugeli ngathi uyazama ukujonga ngemva. I think mhlawumbi bekudlula umuntu wambona the way anxibe ngakhona, and also kuseJoburg CBD, you know, uyazi Joburg CBD is associated with what, and especially uphinde unxibe in that manner. But uhamba nomntwana, guys, come on. And then mhlawumbe lo muntu uthe makedlula and then wathatha ipicture wayigcolisa ku-social media ukubana this is what's happening. I really don't think that's what's happening in this picture. What do you think? Do you really think ukhona umuntu onokwenza la msebenzi ama nomntana?